Hydrolock is one of the most catastrophic engine failures that can occur in modern vehicles. Understanding what it is and how to recognize it can save you thousands in repair costs. Hydrolock occurs when incompressible liquid, typically water, enters the engine's combustion chamber and prevents the piston from completing its normal movement cycle. Unlike air and fuel, which compress easily, water cannot be compressed. When a piston tries to compress water in the cylinder, it creates an immovable barrier that can cause severe mechanical damage. There are four primary causes of hydrolock, each with different likelihood and risk factors. Let's examine the statistics from recent automotive data. Floodwater ingestion accounts for 45% of hydrolock cases. This happens when vehicles drive through deep water, allowing water to enter through the air intake system. Intake system failures represent 25% of cases. This includes damaged air filters, compromised intake ducting, and problems with cold air intake modifications. Cooling system leaks cause 20% of hydrolock incidents. Head gasket failures and cracked cylinder heads allow coolant to enter the combustion chamber. Fuel system issues account for the remaining 10%. This includes excessive fuel delivery and injector malfunctions that can flood the cylinders with fuel. Recognizing the symptoms of hydrolock is crucial for preventing further damage. There are four key warning signs every driver should know. The first and most obvious symptom is sudden engine stoppage. The engine will stop abruptly during operation when the piston encounters the incompressible liquid. When attempting to restart, you'll notice unusual resistance from the starter motor, or complete inability to turn the engine over due to the liquid blocking piston movement. Listen for abnormal sounds such as metallic knocking, grinding noises, or complete silence when attempting to start the engine. These indicate potential mechanical damage. Finally, check for visible water in the air intake, exhaust system, or on the oil dipstick. Water contamination in engine oil is a clear indicator of hydrolock damage. Remember, hydrolock can cause severe mechanical damage, including bent connecting rods, cracked pistons, and complete engine failure. Early recognition of these symptoms is essential to minimize repair costs. When hydrolock is suspected, immediate and proper response is critical to prevent further engine damage and ensure accurate diagnosis. First, and most importantly, do not attempt to start the engine. This is the number one rule that can save your engine from catastrophic damage. Follow these four critical steps immediately. Disconnect the battery to prevent electrical damage, remove spark plugs to allow liquid drainage, document everything for insurance purposes, and contact a professional technician. Once the immediate response is complete, professional diagnosis begins using four key methods to assess the extent of damage. Digital compression testing provides precise readings to determine if cylinders can build proper pressure. Modern electronic testers give accurate measurements of each cylinder's compression. Borescope inspection allows visual confirmation of liquid in cylinders and assessment of internal damage to valves, pistons, and cylinder walls. Oil analysis through spectroscopic testing detects water contamination and determines if coolant or other fluids have mixed with engine oil. ECU data logging analyzes sensor readings during the hydrolock event, providing crucial information about engine conditions when the failure occurred. Based on diagnostic results, repair costs vary dramatically depending on whether mechanical damage occurred before the engine stopped. Minor hydrolock occurs when the engine stops before mechanical damage. This typically costs $500 to $1,500 for fluid drainage, oil changes, and basic inspection. Severe hydrolock involves mechanical damage to pistons, connecting rods, or crankshaft. This requires complete engine teardown and rebuild, costing $5,000 to $15,000 or more. Professional diagnosis and repair is essential for hydrolock damage. The complexity of modern engines and the precision required for proper assessment make this a job for experienced technicians with specialized equipment.